Yeah, hi, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. You tell me, what about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So, what's your name? Could you tell me?
Yeah, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura.
All right. So, could you introduce yourself because we are meeting first time. We are shooting this conversation, right?
Yeah, sure. So I'm from Mathura and I'm a homemaker. I run a YouTube channel as well and I'm graduate. I'm blessed with two kids and my hobbies are reading books, singing songs, cooking food and dancing. Thank
Oh,
you.
that's great.
So I would also like to know about you. So could you please?
Well, my name is Sanjay Bisht, and I'm from Uttarakhand. But nowadays, I'm living in Gurugram, Haryana, and it's been for 2 years. I'm working as an analyst, and there are 5 members in our family, including me. And as well as I'm having a YouTube channel, and my channel name is The Global Voice by Sanjay Bisht. So that's all about me.
Thank you. Thank you for this introduction.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, anything you want to ask and share with me?
Yes, if you want to ask, you can also ask. No problem.
Okay.
So, do
What's
you want to
wrong?
ask anything?
First, you please.
All
You
right.
start.
All right. So, what are your hobbies? Could you tell me about your hobbies?
I told you earlier, okay? Again, reading, singing, cooking, and dancing.
All right. So you are a housemaker. Okay. So you are saying you like cooking, right? But nowadays, if I talk about other girls, okay, they don't like to cook, right? They just want to order some food from outside, right?
Yeah,
That's how I was
it
saying.
happened.
Could you tell me about your hobbies one more time?
Again?
No, no. I was just saying, like, no. That's why I was saying, like, could you tell me your hobbies? Because you told me,
Okay.
like, you
Okay.
like to
Now,
cook food.
now
That's
I
what.
got you. Now I got you. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm very fond of cooking meal, any kind of meal.
Okay, that's great. And what about your YouTube channel? How long have you been working on YouTube, and what's your main motive?
I started it, it's been 3 years since when I started my YouTube channel, and I just I have been making my own videos like talking with myself, and then recording and then uploading it on YouTube channel, and I think it's been 20 days, and I have been doing such things like having a conversational video talk. I was not doing it earlier because I didn't have any clue, and yeah, I knew that there's a lot of apps like Clapping Go and yeah, Ace Fluency, a lot of apps. But you know what? I didn't have that courage. I was not courageous enough to face people like this. So that
Okay.
is why I never ever tried that I should do something like that. But 20 days ago, I was like, I am not improving as I should be, as I must be. So I thought, okay, let's talk with people, and I got connected with some, Skype app, and then I'm doing it. From then, I have been doing such, conversational video talk.
Yeah, that's great. So, do you like these conversational videos? Like you are talking to people. Okay, they are telling their experience as well, right? How did
Yeah,
they learn this language? Okay, they are asking so many questions as well, right?
yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, I like it. I am very, liking it, I would say, because what happens that when we are talking with other person, we, first of all get to know the other person, and we get the feedback as well. Like if I'm making any kind of mistakes, the other person can rectify me at the same time. Okay, and I can do the same. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling
That's
very good.
great.
I'm like having such a conversational video talk, so I feel good.
Okay, and how long have you been working on your spoken English, and why did you learn this language?
As I told you, it's been 3 years since when I started my YouTube channel, and I was just doing by my own, like talking with myself. Sometimes I used to choose any topics, or sometimes I like whatever I'm feeling, whatever has been my experiences, I just shared okay on my channel. And why did I start it? Since it is my passion. Learning English has been my passion, and it is my passion. I'm very fascinated to this English language. So anyhow, I used wanted to do such things, but I was not having any kind of friends, or I didn't have any environment, so I was doing it by my own. So it's been many years, I would say, but 3 years ago I thought that I need to do something
All
like that.
right. And could you tell me how can we improve this language? Because it's been for 3 years you are learning this language, right? Could you tell us how can we improve this language?
By reading things out loud first, and basic grammar knowledge is sufficient, like tenses, some kind of like conditionals you must know, because when we are talking about like the thing that has happened earlier, or the things like if it is a condition, okay, so we have to talk about the condition, then we must know the conditionals as well, okay, so we must know how are the conditional and how can we use conditionals in a speaking way in English. And yes, some vocabularies, as I think,
All,
to my mind.
all right. And what do you think if someone wants to learn this language, okay, in how many months he or she can learn this language?
It all depends on their willingness, how much they are enthusiastic enough. I was so enthusiastic towards this English language. Anyhow, I started. If you watch my earlier videos, like starting videos, when I started making my own videos, you would get to know that what is she is doing. Like she is sitting like a like a robot and speaking like a in a robotic way. I didn't know about flow or such kind of body gestures. Okay, so I didn't know, and I was like kind of very hesitant, shy. But yes, anyhow I managed that. Anyhow I just juggled that, and I just since I was having that kind of feeling that I need to do it, I need to just have that command, a good command. So once you have the willingness, once you are enthusiastic enough to learn this language, it will not take long, 3 to 6 months. Okay, you
All,
can have a command.
all right. So now, do you have any question or like we should close this conversation because you gave me all the answers?
No, yeah, I just tell you this. I just want to tell you that you are very good at English. So how did you start it? Since when you
Uh,
started?
First of all, thank you so much. There was a COVID-19 period, okay, in which I started working on my spoken English because I used to study in Hindi medium background. After that, in COVID-19 period, people were losing their jobs, okay. So I thought like I was thinking like, what can I do? Because I'm not good in mathematics. I'm not good in other subjects as well, right? So I thought first I should learn this language, okay, so I can work in any MNC companies, okay. That's why I started working on my spoken English in COVID-19 period. So I used to listen English music, English conversational videos. I used to practice grammar as well, okay, because you're saying grammar, basic grammar is also very important, right? I agree with you, okay. There are so many people, they won't tell you, right? Grammar is not, they will say grammar is not important. But according to me, if someone is from Hindi medium background, okay, if he or she doesn't know anything about English, right? So he must focus on grammar as well, okay.
Yeah, he
After
must
that,
know. He
yes.
must.
After that, there are four pillars of English like LSRW. We have to work on all these things. Then we can speak well English. So this was my journey.
Nice. It was very nice.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So I think it's done.
Yes, you're right. So thank you so much for giving me chance, and it was a great conversation, I can say.
Ah,
And
same here. Same here.
yes, and always take care and bye for now.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah.